Try get some coffee. I had the worst gastric episode yesterday. It's still painful today. Called my doctor via WhiteCoat. If you guys don't know, I highly recommend the app to see your doctor via the app, and you don't have to head down, don't have to wait too long, and your medication gets delivered to you. It was extremely bad. I couldn't sleep, I just couldn't eat anything, and I couldn't even stand up straight. Fingers crossed today will be good because we have some things to do for the house and we are gonna go tile shopping. And I'll see you guys soon. Let's go! I guess this is what we'll be spending our weekends doing from now on. House reno stuff. Basically adulting. Whee! Very excited. We have officially confirmed our ID and therefore we can finally start on a lot of nitty-gritty things. We did actually go to a few IDs to check out their design. Really appreciate all of the tips that you guys gave me because honestly, if it's not for you guys, I'm going to be a lost sheep. Like both of us, we're like both first-time homeowners, right? Really don't know what to expect, what to look out for. ID that I chose, he's called Vincent. He was actually recommended to us by Jay, our hairstylist. I think the first time we met Vincent, we already like extremely... Okay, I was extremely sold because Vincent was the second ID that I went to, and like he showed me his drawings and he invited us over to his house and he drew everything out on a piece of paper, literally with like pencil and ruler, and he like colored it in with like color pencils or something, and I was just like, oh my goodness, this guy is legit talented. Yeah, so that was my first impression, and he was just extremely nice. We felt like we were talking to a friend. A lot of you guys also said that you have to be extremely comfortable with your ID because you're going to be working very closely with them. They need to understand like your lifestyle, they need to understand what are the things that you cannot compromise on and what are the things that you like, and of course find someone that you know you can trust that will do a good job. We're now on our way to Hafary. Apparently this place like sells a lot of tiles and we're here at their Eunos branch, which is the biggest one. Our house is not going to be ready till a long time later, but doesn't hurt to start early. Ooh, there it is, Hafary. Hi Vincent. Hi. Which one? This? Or this? We're overwhelmed. But we are looking at our 3D to just find something that fits the house. Cloversoft sent me a whole bunch of toilet rolls. Thank you guys! And also some hand towels. That's a lot, it's insane!
Much later.
I'm dying without my coffee. I read online that I should be avoiding things like alcohol and caffeine at this point, but I'm really dying, like I can't function. I'm so out of sorts. I'm so addicted. It's so bad. Oh. Try get some coffee. Maybe if I don't put dairy it'll be less bad. Should I make it hot or cold? Which one's better on the stomach? If I do just an ice long black, it should be fine, right? And I put it with lots of water. Ideal. You know what? I changed my mind. Shall be a good girl. It's really just asking for attention. Why? Never know what he wants. Chonachim. It's now lunchtime. We're having Japanese ramen. I caved. Fingers crossed, my tummy is gonna feel okay after this. But I use oat milk, so it's not dairy. I hope that's better. We're back in the Sejong compound. Oh my god! How come you also have busy pigtails? Yep. Donki! I'm excited. It is a crowded day. 고구마?
Yeah.
사고 싶어?
For the 강아지.
What? It's like $4.90, dude. Just for your dog.
They only eat Japanese sweet potato. Good life, ah.
Yeah,
I
man.
want to be my dog.
It's very weird. So nice.
Wow.
Oh, this is so nice. It's only $7.90.
Yeah.
And your potato is $5. Karaage. We're bringing some toilet paper to my parents. So every Sunday we go back to my parents' place to have dinner with my sisters. Today we're gonna do the same as well. So can't wait. My favorite song from It's Okay to Not Be Okay. Coincidentally, it's by Sam Kim, my favorite singer. Love. I can't sing the words, I can only make the sound. Time to work out. Still dreading it after all this time. Today is actually the first time I'm working out since my gastric episode. I read online that it is good to be moving about if you have, you know, this kind of gastric problems. I'm still feeling bloated, I'm still feeling a little bit of the acid reflux, I'm still on my medication, so I have to, I guess, go easy on myself today. But no excuse, I am still gonna be putting in the workout since Google says it's good anyway to be moving about. I will see you guys in a bit. We are having bubble tea while training. Andrea bought it for me. So that's the biggest irony, guys. Look at that booty! Tonight, I'm having dinner alone at home because everyone is out. I needed to do something, so I decided to stay in today. And for dinner tonight, my helper made me some udon noodles. I don't know about you guys, but I personally love to eat alone at least once in a while, like, because it really helps to clear my head space, and I like to enjoy like my meal without having to talk to someone sometimes. I think that's like a true like test of an introvert. I don't know, let me know in the comments box down below if you're like this as well. Like, I feel like I love hanging out with my friends, I love eating with my family, but I do need like at least once in a few months to just chill and like have some time alone. So good. I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but I have been loving the new Marc Jacobs Lashed Mascara. This one does make my lashes, like especially my lower lashes, they're extremely pathetic, but they make them visible, which is great. I would say this is more volumizing, something that is really black and opaque. Highly recommend this one. Getting ready for a webinar with some Temasek Poly students. It was meant to be an event, like a physical event, but you know, obviously with the current situation, we have shifted it online instead. And I heard that there are like about 200 like people that are gonna be tuning in today. I think what I'm gonna be doing is also sharing on the spot like how to edit a photo using Lightroom, which in fact I've actually already done a YouTube tutorial on it before. I'm gonna link it in the cards up here if you guys are interested. Cheers! Today is gonna be quite a busy day. You guys are coming along with me, but first I need to charge my camera, and I left my charger in the car, so please give me a while. So it's been a while since I did my makeup, and you can see I'm slightly shiny right now. I'm just gonna show you guys this product that I've been loving. It's from Tatcha, the Setting Skin Mist. It's really good for emergency, and I'm gonna show you how it just like mattifies my face. This kind of like replaces a touch-up powder, but the only thing is this is liquid form. You don't get that kind of like powdery finish look that the touch-up powders give you. But of course, once you're done with this and if you think it's not matte enough, you can go in with powder again. The shine is reduced, but it's still really nice and healthy. Such good cheesecake. This session went really well. I felt like I was just talking to a bunch of friends, and the TV students really asked very good questions. So if you're watching this and if you asked me a question during the webinar, thank you so much. And of course, if you watched the webinar even though you didn't raise your questions, I just want to say thank you for all of your time. It always like just makes me feel so humbled. It really blows my mind to know that like people are even willing to listen to me. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to have my dream job and giving me the chance to improve every day. We're having pizza tonight. Pizza Hut Cheese Lovers box, which apparently can fit 3 to 4 people, but when it came, I feel like 3 is the max. Like, I don't think it can hit 4 people. A regular pizza size, like this is my hand. A penny and 2 tiny little sides. I am so full. Because I had my cheesecake, I couldn't eat that much for dinner, but the pizza was legit. Like, if you guys like cheese, that is pretty good. But I would say the set is a little bit small. Definitely it can't fit more than 3 people, and if you have 3 guys, definitely not enough. Today I'm getting ready to head down to the face shop store to get some training done. For those of you who don't know, I'm gonna be joining the Eco Beauty Squad as a mentor, and I'm super excited. Like, I love doing these things. Also learning a lot more about their products and their brand in detail. Like, honestly, I'm already very familiar with the Face Shop brand because I've been a huge fan for many years. I really need to be extremely well versed with every single product. I curled my hair just now and like the humidity just completely killed it. I'm gonna bring my Dyson Corel to touch up. Look who I spotted. Today was a really long day, but it went super well. I didn't manage to get any interview footage for you guys because everything was such a rush. But I got myself a huge cup of Playmate Taiwan milk tea with black sesame pearls as usual, my usual order when I go to Playmate. Whew, hope you guys are having a great day. So I share my bubble tea with you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
The one I like.
Yes. You happy?
Cute, yes.
So nice. People eat acai as a meal. I eat it as a snack. I can do it with some cacao nibs. Morning! Today we are heading to meet Vincent again, our ID. We're gonna be picking out lemonades. I'm heading all the way to Kranji, to this place called EDL. To be honest, I'm such a noob at all these things. I didn't even know what laminates were. They're somewhat like stickers that they stick, and they come in so many different kinds and sizes. A wooden design, like it has like this wooden thingy. So you can see, it's actually like stuck on. So this makes it look like it was all done with very nice white color wood. These are very durable, unlike the normal usual wallpapers. So my ID says that we're gonna be using Phoenix, which is a slightly more premium kind of range from EDL, and she's gonna demo to me why it's worth the extra money. Phoenix,
It's a very soft heart, right?
Oh,
You feel,
I can
right?
feel it.
It's very much different.
This one's smudged instead because we
Yeah.
tried to clean it more.
This one can use for the wardrobe. Yeah,
So the wardrobe will be this also. So it's like,
correct. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Alright, so we're just done picking out our laminates. Woohoo! Another one down! Whole showroom is extremely beautiful. I was legit very shocked. Luckily Vincent was there because the selection was so big that they literally had like 1,000 different types of wood finishes, and then once you're finally done with a wood finish, you have to choose between like 1,000 different kind of like shade of brown.
Even white also got different.
Yeah, even white also got different. So it's like, I just told Vincent like, you just pick out like a bunch for me and I'll choose from there. I really trust your taste. So that's why I think it's very important to just trust your ID lah, and really want my house to look exactly or as close as possible to the 3D mock-up, because that's what I'm super in love with. Fingers crossed it will all turn out really nice, but we learned quite a lot of EDL today, especially for their Phoenix range. That's what we are going to be getting because we want that really nice matte finish, and we want it to be very low maintenance since we're going for very light colors. And you know, with light colors, it's gonna be prone to stains, and if we do have kids in the future, they're gonna be drawing on walls. I think the last thing I want to do is like have to change the entire cupboard because it's covered with like permanent marker ink lah. Yeah. Anyway, now we are heading to Orchard Tower to eat the Thai restaurant. We went there once, so this time we're bringing Vincent with us, and he's very nervous. Are you nervous?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
I don't even think it will be open.
Oh, we shall see. So stressed. But we found it. It's called Thai Tantric Restaurant. Sitting in my son's laser treatment. You got a shock that he was sitting up like. Wow, nice bright skin. Look at that satisfied face. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and you're having a great time. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!